Hi, I'm Dr. Hakim, the orthodontist, and I am an Invisalign Platinum Elite provider, and I was first certified with Invisalign in 2005. In this time, I've done many cases, and the most common problem that I find with improper use of Invisalign or the aligners is breakage. Now, it's very rare for it to happen, but the most common reason why this happens is the improper placement and removal of the aligners. So I'm going to demonstrate using my own aligners. So to take off the aligners, you reach all the way in the back and you pull down on one side, then the other. One side, the other, and then the front. And likewise in the lower, one side, then the other, and then in the front. It's very important to do this because if you try to remove the aligners from one side, you'll actually create a focus point or a pressure point where the aligner will break. And this is even more important if you do have any of the attachments on your canine teeth, which come at the corners of the mouth. Now, the second problem that we can sometimes face when we're using Invisalign is the aligners are lost. So the aligners are not going to lost when you're wearing them, it's what you do with them when you take them out. And that's why we have this retainer case that you have to keep with you at all times. And if the aligners are not in your mouth, they have to be in your retainer case. Okay, so take care, be well, and be safe.